Hey guys, welcome to the Skill Up interview. So today we are going to start our next questions for .NET perspective. So in the .NET interview, the most asked the questions are related to memory management, how the memory management is happening, and which mechanisms are being used in the .NET architecture and the .NET applications. So basically, I will just show you the questions. So what are the mostly used in the interview applications, interview for the .NET, and the questions are for the garbage collection. Yeah, so this is the questions, like we can see what is garbage collector and how the garbage collector works. So basically, for what purpose the garbage collections and are used. So basically, the garbage collection is used for the memory management in the .NET application. Memory management in the sense, if any live objects are created and if the program executes until they are kept there, and if the scope is completed for that object, then that object will be removed from the memory. So for the next object, it will be located as space. So if the interview asks what is the garbage collector and why we use that, so we can just say that a garbage collector is the background process to remove the managed and unmanaged resources. Like example, we can say objects. So we can say like a garbage collector is the background process to remove the managed and unmanaged resources. Example, objects. So in the garbage collector, what will happen? It is a background process basically, and it is simultaneously running in the background. So we are not sure like when the garbage collection will come and remove that memories from the background, but it is a repetitive comes and it will remove the object from the background. So garbage collection is the background process to remove the unmanaged code and managed resources. We can say objects. So the second question is like we can say how the garbage collector will. Okay, we understood like what is the garbage collector, but how the garbage collection works. So how he knows that there will be that managed code and unmanaged code. So we will see that question. So see, second question is how the garbage collection works. So in the garbage collector there are three phages basically. We can say for the interview this is the three phages. So every interview asks these questions in the interview.NET interview like how the garbage collector works. So we can just say to them like in the garbage collector there are three phages like marking, sweeping, and compacting. These three phases are very important in the garbage collector to track the objects. So basically, what is the marking, sweeping, and compacting? So we can say the marking phase is basically mark the live objects in the heap memory. So we will see in the next upcoming detailed questions like what is the heap and what is the stack memory. So there will be clear understand what is the heap and stack. So what marking phase will do? So marking phase is basically after live object in the heap memory. So whatever the live objects are created and so currently it is being used in the processes or you can say like the application is being running and that objects are live. So that objects are kept in the marking phase and that are marked as a live objects in the marking phase, and these are objects are only kept in the memory. Second phase is the sweeping phase. After the marking phase, the garbage collector knows that these are the live objects and whatever the remaining objects are there, so that garbage collector automatically consider it is unmanaged code and we need to remove from the memory. So in the sweeping phase is basically used for unmanaged code considered as a garbage and that will be removed. So after the live objects, what are the remaining objects are there, so that sweeping comes in under the sweeping phase and that are removed in the memory management. So it will be allocated the space for the next upcoming live objects. So this comes in the sweeping phase. Last is the compacting phase. Suppose one object is created and this is the suppose object is created. So suppose this is the live object obj1, this is the obj2, obj3, obj4 and unmanaged. So suppose currently these 2 and 3, these are the live objects, and apart from that these 4, these are the unmanaged resources, unmanaged if you can consider. So in that case what will happen, this 4, 1 and this rest of this are removed from the garbage collection in the memory management and 2 and 3 as kept. So now this space, suppose these are the live objects are kept in a garbage collector and these space are currently empty. So in this case, in the compacting phase what will happen, whatever the live objects are there, suppose in our case it is a 2 and 3, they are kept in a compacted in the memory. So after compacting they will be kept in the memory in this format 1, and this space are for the live objects, incoming live object. If in the application suppose any other objects are created and it is live, so that that will go in the third position. So that is the compacting, we can say. Compacting phase is used for the compact the objects together and remove the empty spaces, means garbage from the memory. So empty space he can remove, and the objects will be stored in the next of that allocations. So yeah, so that is about garbage collection. So basically it is mostly asked the questions in the interview: what is the garbage collector and why basically it is used, and how the garbage collector is used. So we can see like how the garbage collection is. So there will be one marking phase, second sweeping phase, and third compacting phase, and accordingly in the marking phase, sweeping phase, compacting phase, the garbage collection will remove the objects. Yeah, thank you. So maybe that video will be helpful for you to understand the concept regarding the garbage collection. Thank you so much.